So hello guys. So today I'm going to discuss on my project NLP based text summarization technique for news article under the guidance of Ravinder sir, Department of CAC. So in agenda part, I'll be covering introduction, statement of the problem, purpose of the project, proposed methodology. Where in proposed methodology, architecture diagram, design class diagram, algorithms used, hardware and software requirements, implementation, expected results and implications, output and outcomes of the project, and finally conclusion will be discussed here. So in introduction part, IN News, which is my application, where it is an innovative news portal where it is designed to keep you informed with the latest updates from around the globe in summarized manner. So basically it aggregates news content from various repeatable sources utilizing advanced algorithm to summarize article and present them in user friendly format. So where this application provides a user with the option to choose from selection of their trending news, favorite topics, or search from their specific news items which are their preferable in their own perspective. So this is about the introduction part. So the problem, the statement of the problem in text summarization technique is user interface, use aggregation, and summarization. User interface, it is design intuitive and responsive user interface allowing a seamless navigation and selection of the news article from the various sources. The interface which facilitate exploration of trending news, favorite topics and specific searches. So in news aggregation part, where the functionality to aggregate news content from the various sources using Google News RSS feed, where I've been get from the input from the Google RSS feed, where it categorizes articles based on the trending topic, user specified queries and predefined categories. And summarization part, where it will be giving a summarized manner of particular content in more specific form, where it concise summarize for each news article to provide a user with a quick understanding of news content and the purpose of the project. So the main purpose of the project is to give a efficient news consumption, enhanced user experience. So in part of efficient news consumption, which enables user to efficiently consume news by providing summarized article tailored to their preferences, and enhanced user experience, which is nothing but giving a very easy user experience to access the any kind of topics which they are interested in my particular website for their own interest, where they can search and get any kind of information from the website which I have been hosted. Using search information topic or favorite topic and any kind of related topics which are they interested in. And then proposed methodology. So in text summarization technique for news article, I have proposed 6 methodology, 6 modules, where data collection, data pre-processing, processed data, retrieved news article, summarization and text analysis, summarized news summarizes or the methodology have been implemented in my project. So in one line I can say data collection. These steps involves fetching news article from various sources. News articles are collected by scraping RSS feed from news website using web scraping techniques. Different functions like fetch news, fetch top news, fetch category news are been taken from in this data collection. From where we can get the data, and then data pre-processing. After collecting news article, data pre-processing technique are being applied to clean and prepare the text data for further analysis. And then after a clean and sorting of the particular data, the next step will be processed data. So in set of processed data, the news articles are processed and ready for further analysis. This processed data includes the cleaned and passed text content for news article, where it will be containing the metadata, which indicates the publication date, source and author, and other kind of stuff and information, and retrieved news article. So retrieved news article, after the pre-processing, the articles along with their relevant information, fetch news, search topic, top news and category news functions, which will return a list of news items containing metadata such as article title, link, publication date, and other kind of stuffs. So summarization and text analysis. In this particular part, the data will be summarized and given in more specified format, where a user can easily implement and get the data on their own interest in a more efficient manner. So at last, summarized news summarizers. So basically, in this step, summarizing the retrieved news article to provide a concise representation of their content, which is the main part in this particular part. So here is my architecture diagram, where external news sites, which is nothing but Google RSS filled with HTTP response, is being scrapped using pipeline creator, and then it will be fitted to the text summarizer, and it will deliver us with a text summarized manner of a particular topic, whichever they are implemented in my particular website. So here is my design class diagram, and algorithms I have been used in my project, or web scraping algorithm, natural language processing algorithm, which is NLP algorithm, image processing algorithm, user interface algorithm, control flow algorithm. So web scraping algorithm, the code uses web scraper to extract news from RSS feed, and it follows the open URL method and read data from the URL and close the connection and give the particular data to the particular format in the particular format. So NLP algorithm, where it utilizes the newspaper library for this purpose. The NLP algorithm consists of news data download, article content web scraper, and apply natural processing technique, where it will be giving in more specified format. Image processing algorithm, where PAL and other kind of library which have been used in my particular project, where it gives the particular processed image in more particular format. User interface algorithm, where Streamlit have been used in my particular project, where it will be giving a very beautiful web page where we can easily access and get to know with a lot of the stuffs with whichever topic we are inputting in my particular web page. Control flow algorithm, where in control flow algorithm the execution of fetch news, search topics, fetch top news, category topics, which will be used in the particular field, where it will display this function, define the sequence of operation, and handles the logic for fetching the particular topics which have been implemented in my particular project. So these are the hardware software requirements for my project. Software requirements are particularly Python libraries supposed to be downloaded before executing my project, Jupyter notebook on open source IDE for executing the project, or even a normal notebook with PY extension. Using terminal we can execute the code. So the hardware components are 32 or 64 bit computer, minimum 3 GB disk space to download and install Jupyter notebook. So in implementation part, the project is implemented by Python using the following libraries: Streamlit, PIL, Beautiful Soap, URL lib, newspaper, and LLTK, which uses the web scraping techniques to fetch the news article from Google News, which is subjected to changes in the website structure and policies. So it's always a good practice to handle the exceptions and the error gracefully, especially when dealing with the web scraper and the external APIs. So the results and implications. So we'll be accomplishing efficient news consumption, user satisfaction, increased user engagement, improved accessibility, reliable and credible content, customization and personalization, error handling. So this will be output after executing the particular code, where we can see the topic and category selection, trending news, favorite topic, search topic, and the increasing amount of the topic by dragging the particular bar, and it will be giving the accurate output outcome of the project. So the project which give effortless efficiency and suitability of the diverse text summarization technique, where it is more scalable, efficient and robust, and the output of the project serves as an valuable resource for researchers, industry professionals involved in natural language processing. And then in conclusion part, I would say the proposed system for new summarization portal leverages an advanced natural language processing technique for presents a promising solution for delivering more informative and personalized news experience. The system, which integrates state-of-the-art NLP libraries, offers a customizable summarization option, and which incorporates named entity recognition, sentiment analysis, and key phrase extraction. The modular design ensures that each aspect of the system functionality is well organized and can be extended or enhanced independently. So here is my reference. So now I will be showing how to execute my how I will be executing my project. So here is my project, where project files, where as I already mentioned, I have been implemented a Streamlit. So I'll be configuring with dark theme, primary color as green, blue and dark blue. This is my base Streamlit color in my particular website. So meta, where the image PNG I'll be giving linking to the particular app.py main file, where in my app.py here is my Python code, where I have already told the particular libraries I have been imported, and set page configuration, which it will be getting into meta newspaper.ico, and the modules. In this module I'll be fetching new search topics, and here top news, here category search, where in category search I'll be fetching the news posters and display the news. That's it. And here is the source site RSS, where the particular top news category news have been implemented, so that I will be getting the particular news format in particular way. And here is the run option, run module, where I will be getting the particular set of codes in picture, summarized format, particular date, time and publication format, and segment of the particular topics which I want to search. And if the particular topic is not being found, I'll be giving no news found, and no news found, like that I will be giving the correct prompt. So now I'll be and then here the scrapper format of the particular web page have been scrapped for the particular web page by major topics, top news search queries, by implementing the Google RSS site, open URL and close page, like that, so that I will be easily scrap the particular web page in very beautiful format. So as I already mentioned, here these are the libraries have been imported in my particular project. So now I will execute in the CMD. So to run this code, I supposed to write streamlit run particular app.py file name, which is nothing but file name. So as I used streamlit, it will be redirecting to the particular website like this. And here we can see local URL. By pasting this, we can easily go to the particular web page. So this is my web page where I can select my category. So here these are 3 categories: trending news. So I'll be getting trending news based on the Google RSS feed. So as I mentioned, a summarized news, here we can see most summarized pattern, where it will be giving in summarized format, so that we can easily get the particular idea about the particular news. So here is the trending news, favorite topics which we can easily modify, where these are some of the favorite topics which have been imported, like world news. These are the world news, as we already see, which got collapsed. Like that we can easily search for the particular interest. We can easily summarize this news into summarize the news and we can read easily. So the user interface is very easy, so that we can search anything. And the search topic, where we can easily search, we can search like Tamil news. So if we search for any kind of news, we'll be getting particular news in more detailed format, in summarized format. So that's it. And the number of news, we can scroll as much of news up to 15 or 15. We will be getting particular news in more detailed format. So that's it. This is my project, a new summarization. Thank you.